Welcome to another Shore Store tutorial. Today we will be teaching you how to replace your worn out ear cushions. This is applicable for Evolve 20, 30, 40, and 65. Here's a sample of original Jabra ear cushions available at our store in Shopee and Lazada. First, remove the outermost leather cover. Then, remove the worn out ear cushion. We encourage you to patiently remove it by hand, as using sharp tools like scissors or blades may damage your headset. Make sure to remove any leftover adhesives before attaching the new cushion. As you can see, there's a big difference in color as this cushion has been used for 1 year. So it's important to change your ear cushions regularly for hygienic purposes. For your information, this audio is being recorded using Jabra Evolve 20, which is the headset shown below, and is also available at our store. The link to this item will be included in the description box down below. Once you have completely removed the old adhesive, you can now install the new ear cushion. Start by slowly removing the adhesive cover that looks like brown paper. Then position the new foam to the speakers with the adhesive side facing down. Once you are satisfied with its position, you can cover it with a new leatherette cover. The leather cover is a bit stretchable, so don't be afraid to position it. And that's how to change your ear cushions. Be sure to browse through our store and you might find something you need.